Alright, LMS followers, this is the inside of the duplex where we gutted it out completely. It's a duplex two sides A and B that we're going to rent out. We gutted it out. We took out all the insulation, sheetrock. We done replaced the front doors, the back doors. We're going to be replacing the windows. And we have contractors on a site right now. We replaced all the electrical, all the plumbing. We did all kinds of work on the inside of the property. This is probably our 75th property that we've done completely rehab. And this is our first duplex that we're doing together. So you can see we have the contractors putting in the insulation. We had new wiring, new plumbing. We did several things to it. We had the AC components getting put in here today, tomorrow. And so we did a complete rehab on this property for this duplex.